If there is one major complaint I get from people, especially people that come to me for consultation, it is dull skin. A lot of people have dull skin, and if you're in that category, don't worry, in this video I'll be sharing with you how you can fix your dull skin. The good news is that your dull skin isn't permanent. There is a reason why your skin looks dull, and from that reason we'll be able to get a solution to your problem. So if this sounds like something that resonates with you, you need to keep on watching to the end. Don't skip any part of this video. And if you eventually find this video helpful, please subscribe to join this amazing, beautiful family. Don't forget to like. If you have any questions whatsoever, please ask them in the comment section. Share this video to your family and friends, and without further ado, let us jump right into this video. There are several reasons why your skin looks dull. Okay, your skin will not just start looking dull by itself. There must be a reason why it is looking dull, and the first one is lack of exfoliation. Now, we all know that exfoliation helps to slug off the dead skin cells and help your skin renew new skin cells. Your skin naturally renews itself. It produces new skin cells every 28 days. Now, the only way those new skin cells can be revealed is when you slug off the dead skin cells, the old skin cells. So if you're not exfoliating your skin, there is a high possibility that your dull skin is as a result of lack of exfoliation. Another reason why your skin looks dull is dehydration. Now, there is a difference between dehydration and dry skin. Dehydration is more of, lack of water, why dry skin is lack of oil. So if you're thinking that, okay, dehydrated skin only has to do with dry skin, no. You might have an oily skin, you might have a normal skin, and your skin is dehydrated. Another reason why your skin looks dull is sun damage. Your skin and sun, they are not friends at all. If you want to damage your skin faster, just repeatedly go under the sun. Be going under the sun without protecting your skin or wearing protective clothing. Trust me, in 1 month, your skin will turn into something else. Now, the last category of reasons why your skin looks dull is age, environmental factors, stress, poor diet, and even something as little as your hair being unkept or what you put on. When it comes to age, the skin reduces the renewal of new skin cells as you age. Like, it is a progressive something. So at your 30s, it will start to reduce down to your 40s, down to your 50s. So you will notice that your skin will start to look dull. Now, this is why it is super important that once you clock your 30s, you need to incorporate retinoids in your skincare routine, because retinoids will help your skin to produce more collagen. Then other things like stress, poor diet can actually affect your glow. If you're stressing yourself a lot, if you're not having adequate rest or adequate sleep, it could affect how your skin looks or how your skin appears. Another one that people underestimate is what you wear. I've noticed that whenever I put on any black outfit, it makes my skin pop. Also, see, I tried to make this video 2 days ago before I made my hair, and my skin wasn't glowy like this. I noticed that my skin was looking dull, and I knew that it was because my hair was old. Sometimes all you need to do is just redo your hair, get a new hairdo, keep a clean cut. For those of you with relaxed hair, whenever your hair is due for relaxing and you don't relax your hair, it affects your whole appearance. Your skin will look dull, your face will look tired and lifeless. But once you relax your hair immediately, in fact from the salon, you start to see that your skin will pop up, your skin will start to radiate. This shows you how important every other aspect of your body is, and not just your skin. So now that we've discussed the possible reasons why your skin looks dull, let us discuss the ingredients you'll be needing in your skincare routine to help you fix your glow. The first ingredient you'll be needing in your routine, which I always recommend to people dealing with dull skin, is vitamin C. See, vitamin C is a very, very powerful antioxidant. Apart from that, it is also a brightening ingredient. See, if you're looking for an ingredient that will help to boost your skin radiance, that will help to give you a glowing skin, brighten your overall complexion, boost collagen production on your skin, and give you a very youthful glow, then vitamin C should be your go-to. It is important that you get a very good and potent vitamin C serum. Not all vitamin C serums you see in the market are the same thing. I think I will make a separate video on how you can know a very good and potent vitamin C serum. There are some that are just waste of money. Now, if you want a good vitamin C serum that will be very potent for you, get yourself a vitamin C serum that contains L-ascorbic acid. Now, L-ascorbic acid is the most potent form of vitamin C. Okay, although it causes irritation, not all skin type can handle it. Like, if your skin is sensitive, you might not be able to handle it. If you have an acne-prone skin, you might not be able to handle it. Example of a serum that is very, very good with L-ascorbic acid is this one from Timeless. They have the one of 10% and they have the one of 20%. This serum also contains ferulic acid and vitamin E that helps to stabilize the L-ascorbic acid, because L-ascorbic acid is quite unstable. If your skin cannot take this one, you can look for a good vitamin C serum that contains derivatives of L-ascorbic acid, like sodium ascorbic phosphate, magnesium ascorbic phosphate. These two ingredients are derivatives of L-ascorbic acid. And one serum that I highly recommend that is mid-range is the Balance Active Vitamin C Serum. So if your skin cannot handle vitamin C, it's possible that you're using a strong form of vitamin C. Why not go for something as mild yet effective like this one? Now, if your skin doesn't like vitamin C at all, whether it is the derivative or the main one, then you can opt for niacinamide. Niacinamide is a very good alternative for vitamin C, and it also works to help to improve your skin radiance. Niacinamide also causes irritation, especially when you use as high as 15%, but there are some serums that contain 5% to 10%. Opt for those ones. Now, these two ingredients, vitamin C and niacinamide, apart from helping to improve your skin radiance and brightening your skin, they are also antioxidants, meaning that they are best used in the morning. If you're going to use vitamin C, ensure to use it in the morning. And if you be opting for niacinamide, ensure to use it in the morning. But if you have the two of them, you can use two of them in the morning, or you can just decide to use vitamin C in the morning, then use niacinamide at night. That one is also okay. The next ingredient that can help to improve your dull skin is hydrating ingredients. Like you see this one, this is underrated. See, if you want to have a glowing skin, keep your skin hydrated. Use ingredients like aloe vera, panthenol, hyaluronic acid, very important, glycerin, ceramide, cica. All these are good hydrating ingredients that will help to make your skin look plump. You see this particular one, I used to underrate it before. I used to underrate it before, but when I found out how good hydration will make your skin look, I never turned back. Look for products that have combination of hydrating ingredients that have panthenol, ceramide, hyaluronic acid inside of them. Examples of products that you can see all these things in are in toners. See, get yourself a hydrating toner. I can never emphasize this enough. If you want to have that yummy, that plump, that glowy skin, you need hydrating toners. Like you see this one I'm using, this toner is packed with a lot of ingredients. Another one is also this one, this Aquel. I use these two together. I use Aquel and I still use this ceramide toner. Toners can be very addictive, especially when you get yourself a very good and quality toner. You mustn't use two toners, or you can just get one toner, then get a very good moisturizer that contains hyaluronic acid. Example of a good hyaluronic acid moisturizer is this one from Neutrogena. This is a very good moisturizer. You can also get this one from Tree. There are some toners that are just manufactured with water and a sprinkle of glycerin. Avoid such toners. Such toners are just waste of money. Get yourself a good toner that will hydrate your skin deeply and also nourish your skin. You can also get hydrating serums, but just ensure that you are getting products that contain hydrating ingredients, hyaluronic acid, snail mucin, aloe vera, glycerin. All these are things you should look out for when it comes to hydration. So they can come in any form. They can come in toners, they can come in serums, they can come in moisturizers. But for me, I highly recommend toners. Another ingredient that can help you is your sunscreen. You guys already know that this one is non-negotiable. No sunscreen, no glowing skin. They work hand in hand. The next ingredients you'll be needing, which is super important, are exfoliants. You will need to exfoliate your skin by using AHAs or BHAs depending on your skin type. I always say this in my videos. If you have an oily skin or your skin is normal or combination, you can opt for glycolic acid. If you have a dry skin, please use lactic acid. If your skin is sensitive, use lactic acid or mandelic acid. If you have an oily skin and you have acne, use salicylic acid. Just use an exfoliant that best suits your skin type. Now, the last ingredient that will help you to improve your skin radiance are retinoids. Retinoids help to increase cell turnover. They help to increase the rate at which your skin produces new skin cells. Now, remember I said as you age, your skin reduces production of new skin cells. That is why you need retinoids to replace that. Now, with this point, I believe that you'll be able to create a skincare routine for yourself. But if you still can't, here is a simple routine that you can use that will help to brighten your dull skin, improve your skin complexion, and give you a glowy skin. Cleanse with a gentle cleanser. Use your hydrating toner or toners, depending on how many you have. Apply your vitamin C serum on a dry skin. If you'll be using niacinamide, apply it also on a dry skin. Apply your moisturizer if you feel like. and then use your sunscreen. Sunscreen is not optional, it is compulsory. Then at night, you're going to use your exfoliant, either your exfoliating toner or your exfoliating serum, whichever it is. Ensure to exfoliate your skin 2 times weekly at most. You can also exfoliate your skin once weekly, depending on your skin's tolerance. Ensure to use the right exfoliant for your skin type. Now, this is all you need. You don't need so much. If you want to, add something that will give you anti-aging benefits, then you can incorporate retinoids in your routine. You can use your retinoids 3 times weekly at night. Don't use your retinoids on the same day you'll be using, or on the same night you'll be using your chemical exfoliant. Space them. If you use your chemical exfoliant on Monday night, allow your skin rest on Tuesday night. Then on Wednesday night, you can use your retinoids. You allow your skin rest on Thursday night, then on Friday night you use your chemical exfoliant. Then you just continue the cycle like that. Now, this process is called skin cycling. I have a video where I explained this whole cycle very, very well. I'm going to try to leave a link so that you can watch that video to find out more. But if you feel like you're still young and you don't really need retinoids, then you can skip retinoids and just use your chemical exfoliant at night. It is enough to take your skin from dull to glowy. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. What did you think about today's video? Did you enjoy it? Did you find it helpful? If you did, please kindly hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Share to your family and friends. Hit the like button so that this video would reach the right audience. Thank you guys so much for 9,000 subscribers. Like me, 9K people are following me and listening to me. Like, I feel so honored, guys. Thank you so much. Road to 10K. Help me get there fast, please. And if you're confused on your skincare journey, if you don't know what to do, meet someone that knows. Follow Who Know Road. Come to me, send me a DM on Instagram for a paid consultation session, and trust me, you will not regret it. I have lots of, in fact, I've not gotten any bad reviews so far. Like, I'm going to literally hold your hands like this and walk you through your journey. If you book me now, I'm going to help you consistently from now to the end of the year. Guys, that is it for today. Until I see you on my next one, have a wonderful week. Bye bye.